Ronim C Vlog TV.
Yes, guys. General, I cut the place, you know. General, I cut the place, you know. Good work, man, you know. I'll show you when cut already. Clean up the garden, you know. Garden there. The work a fling stone. Come on. I'm gonna clean up the place, guys. Garden, clean up the garden for school. Yeah. Monday morning, you know. You can see, guys, man doing a good work. Doing a good job, guys. Beautiful. So clean up the place, clean and nice. Yeah, guys. Right now, coconut still up on the tree. They'll up on the tree, same way, guys. And there, the coconut on the tree. These here, bigger one and drink off already. Two leave on this bunch. And that bunch coming. If you look around there, you see some small one up here coming, guys. And further up, some smaller one. This tree really bare, guys. Really bare. Yeah, man, but as I say, the general clean up the place, guys. Really good. Yeah, man, and clean up come. We around here. Yeah, man. General doing a good work, man. Doing a good job. And see the flowers then catching up nice. Yeah, man. Now, guys, just keep watching. And remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, man. A boy, Ron Mac. Yes, guys. Blessing. One love.
The next day.
Greetings again. Your boy, Ron Mac. Guys, I'm on my way from Mandeville, Jamaica, you know. A lot of people, you know, I know Mandeville, you know. A lot of people love Mandeville. But Mandeville is a nice, cool place, guys. Yeah, man. Nice place. Yeah, man. Visit the family, them, you know. And step back. Guys, know that it's a lot of drive. Lot of drive from Mandeville to reach back. Yeah? In St. Catherine, guys. Yeah, man. I'm in the Mandeville Park right now. Yeah. The bus is here. Just waiting for the bus to leave out. Guys. So, guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Yes, guys. I know we know, guys. Yeah, man. I know we, going to Spanish Town. Yeah, man. Bus is moving very fast. From Mandeville to Spanish Town, the bus then drive very hard. But guys, you see, right now, you can't, you see, there's a lot of music playing in the bus, so, I have to really voice over this part. We can't get no copyright, guys. So, guys, rain falling right now. And I don't think you'll be hearing much talking from me. Yeah, because of the copyright music, guys. So, stay tuned, guys. Keep watching till we reach Linstead, guys, and keep blessed. Yes, guys, this is Linstead in KFC Car Park. Guys, Linstead is beautiful. Yeah, man. Look at the beautiful views, guys. Beautiful, beautiful view. Right in KFC Car Park in Linstead, guys. Yeah, man, guys, as you can see, rain's falling, Just taking my little shelter. And, catch this little view. Yeah? I take out my camera and start to video, guys, and this is what I see. This beautiful view. Yeah, man, in Linstead. Guys, Linstead is beautiful. If you can if you can take a camera and catch some views, guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, guys. Peer rain, guys. Rain right through from man.